destroyer docked for repairs at the shipyard. Vulnerable, but far from defenseless.
Proceeding to the rendezvous point.
Imperial cruisers are defending the docks. We need them taken out.
I'm going down! All clear on your six.
On my mark, go!
A Y-Wing squadron has joined us. Cover them so they can perform a bombing run. We'll never get through while those...
Moving in! Bombs away. No!
Our blockade runners are here. Keep the Imperials off them and they will deal them.
Looks like they started without us.
This will be impossible if we don't take out those cruisers first.
You might have to finish this without me. They won't stop shooting me!
Keep at it. Structural failure imminent. Finish them off. One cruiser down. One to go.
Keep them from firing on our bombers.
One of our blockade runners is taking damage. Defend it.
All systems...
You just squeaked by.
We've lost the blockade runner. I don't like our chances if we lose another.
Systems failing.
Take out those shield generators. The dock will be wide open from there.
Well done!
Key reinforcements are here. Y-wing bombers. Keep them safe.
I'm going down!
Both blockade runners are down.
Traps are shut! Can't hold it!
Good work. Our Y-wings finished their bombing run.
target.
Moving in.
Good one.
Nose cone. Nose cone jet. Celebrate later. It's not over yet.
Generator down. Continue.
You shook them off. Excellent work.
Another down. Making headway.
System's failing. Good, pal. I'm done. You're being targeted. Anybody need a hand?
What's the big idea?
I'm out.
That was close.
All set.
Only one left.
All systems.
You're a heck of a shot.
My droid's reporting severe damage.
That's the way.
Generators down. Stand by. Scanning for intel.
I'm amazed this X-Wing's still flying.
You're hit.
Ship's almost falling apart.
Unfortunate. The Star Destroyer shields remain up, but the duct clamps powering them are vulnerable. Disable them.
Things are going our way.
You're taking fire.
Our battle cruisers arrived right on time. Take out those defenses and watch its cannons go to work. Our Y-Wings have initiated their bombing run. We need you to run interference.
He's gone.
Good shot.
The Y-Wing squadron successfully completed its bombing run.
For the resistance.
Watch out!
Hit those clamps to depower the destroyer shields.
I don't think I'm coming back from this.
last a little longer. Red Squad, let's finish this!
The reactor is wide open. Hit it with everything you've got before the shields are back online.
Engine's gone!
Good job.
This ship's taken a lot of hits.
Continue on this path, and lose they will. The shields are back online. We need to hit those clamps again.
Ring assembly! Your ship can't take much more of that. I'm out!
I just blew up my droid.
I believe in you.
Shields offline. Now, focus all fire on the reactor. We don't have much time.
Let's go in for the kill! Your reinforcements! Turn this around!
Red leader here!
Good! You lost your tail!
We've lost too many. We'll retreat to fight another day.